My friend, Christmas season is coming again. Do you know that what really it means? Are you giving your gifts? Are you singing Christmas songs without giving Jesus first place in your hearts? Jesus is the peace in my life. Jesus is the hope of my soul. Jesus is the joy of my heart. He's the one I'm longing for. My friend, Christmas season is coming again. Do you know that what really it means? Are you giving your gifts? Are you singing Christmas songs without giving Jesus first place in your hearts? Jesus is the peace in my life. Jesus is the hope of my soul. Jesus is the joy of my heart. He's the one I'm longing for. Jesus is the peace in my life. Jesus is the hope of my soul. Jesus is the joy of my heart. He's the one I'm longing for. Jesus is the peace in my life. Jesus is the hope of my soul. Jesus is the joy of my heart. He's the one I'm longing for. Jesus is the peace in my life. Jesus is the hope of my soul. Jesus is the joy of my heart. He's the one I'm longing for. He's the one I'm longing for. He's the one I'm longing for, my friend.